Hello, guys. Welcome to this week's Buy It or Burn It Christmas edition. First of all, Merry Christmas, guys. Happy holidays. It's been quite a ride. It's been an enjoyable one. It's been a treacherous one. It's been an emotionally draining year for everybody. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So I just want to wish you guys a healthy and happy New Year. I won't be giving this next week, so I'm going to take a week off to relax with the family a little bit. But I'll be back after that, banging these out for you every week. So on this week's Buy It or Burn It, I'm going back to a classic money link trade that I've put on and off. I'm very nimble getting in and out of these things, but I've been watching this trend. And in fact, a lot of you that have seen my presentations have seen me talk about this particular pair. It's a pair trade. It's a long short trade. And so for today's Buy It or Burn It, I'm going back to Amazon and Baba. So let's take a look at what I'm seeing today on Christmas Eve on Buy It or Burn It. This morning or last night, there came out some news, which I've been talking about, and I was on a thing with Roger yesterday, and we talked about this. We talked about this trend with China the past few weeks, and so the Chinese Communist Party came out, and they are investigating Alibaba, and they initiated a probe into Alibaba's non-competitiveness. They're too big, basically. Jack Ma, there was a quote that was really striking that they said Jack Ma is trying to rival Premier Xi, and that is not going to be something that goes down easy in China. That's for me. This is the beginning of something that it's kind of a black swan, because people think the Chinese and Joe Biden are going to get together so beautifully, and it's going to be kumbaya. But I don't think so. And I think one of the things people don't understand and don't really see or aren't really talking about coming down the horizon is, I think the Chinese Communist Party is going to go much more to the communist end of things. They're going to rein in a lot of what's happened in the free markets. And this is just the start. So let's look at this. Let's look at this trade. Over the last year, this white line up here is Amazon up 70%, while Alibaba is up 4% on the year. Now, remember, Amazon is the world's largest e-commerce company, and Alibaba is the largest e-commerce company in China, which gives it a huge advantage, and that's a huge deal. But if you put this money link on from the beginning of this year, and remember, the Chinese economy has been one of the best economies through all of COVID. That's a different topic, but it's reality. And you still have this outperformance on this money link, 66% putting on this spread. Win, lose, or draw, you're hedged. It's a long short pair. If we go, and that was 1 year out. If we go year to date in 2020, that's 66%. If we're looking at the last 6 months, it's still 16%. Look at the 1 month. This is going to show you 18%. And, it's all Alibaba going down in the last month. Alibaba's off 18%. Well, Amazon's just, it's a nothing burger. It's unchanged. But if we look at 5 years, on this money link, 197% outperformance. And I think it's just going to grow, and it's going to grow. And, people earmark money based on return. Portfolio managers think this way. I think there's going to be a lot of big flows out of Alibaba. Let's take a look at Alibaba underneath the hood a little bit. So these guys are trading with a $600 billion market cap. And you can see here that it's just breaking down. It's just an ugly chart. That is an ugly chart, considering we're making all-time highs on the NASDAQ, and tech has got such a big wind at its back. What's going to happen with this stock if we have an actual correction? So these are the reasons I like to play these, these long-short pairs. The basic idea is that the companies that are under pressure, under fire, have real risk, will do much worse, and the companies that are still making money, growing their earnings, having that positive momentum, will continue to kick ass. So buy Amazon, burn Baba. If you guys want to learn how to trade long short pairs, if you guys want to learn how to hedge yourselves, you got to check out the money link. There's a link on this email that you can check out, and go straight to themoneylink.com. Happy New Year, guys. LFG. I'll see you guys in 2021.